Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Confirm the app process is up and that the server listens on the port your browser hits. Once done, open logs and scan the most recent error entries for the first exception. That often points to a missing bean, template, or resource. Make sure the view resolver or template engine is registered and that template file names match case and path exactly. Also check for simple typos in controller request mappings before moving to deeper configuration. Now dig into the controllers and template resolution. Call the endpoint with curl or postman to capture status codes and response headers so you're not guessing. Once you reproduce it, inspect controller methods for exceptions, null returns, or wrong view name strings. Missing at controller or at request mapping misalignment is common. Turn on debug level logging for the MVC and template packages to see resolver decisions. Finally, confirm template files are in the finish by implementing the identified fix, then rebuild and redeploy so changes take effect. Clear server caches and restart the JVM to eliminate stale state. Once deployed, validate the route again and monitor logs for remaining errors. If you need a stopgap, add a minimal index. HTML or a default error page so users don't see the white label page. If problems persist, check dependency mismatches and auto-configuration conflicts because incompatible library versions often cause unresolved view resolution failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.